Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change the streaming audio quality of your music on the Amazon Music app. But before we begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Darn Tough Socks. Darn Tough Socks deliver the most comfortable, durable, and great fitting socks with no added bulk. Whether you're spending a lazy Sunday on the couch, going for a hike in the mountains, or doing an 8-hour shift on a desk, Darn Tough Socks are a warm and ultra comfortable choice that meet your every need. Click on the link in my video description. It's underneath the clothes and shoes section of my video description. Alright? And you can see these socks are pretty awesome. Let's get back to Amazon now. To change the streaming audio quality of your music on Amazon, first make sure you look on the bottom left hand corner. Do you see where it says browse? Tap on that and make sure you're on the browse page. Once you're here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three dots over here? Tap on those. And then a menu will appear from the bottom, and on this menu there is an option called settings. Tap on that and it'll take you to the settings page. Once you're scroll down until you find where it says streaming audio quality right here. Tap on that. Okay, and from here you can change it from auto, high, medium, and low. All right, and auto is like that's what they recommend, and like they say here, when you do that, it will choose it based on the network condition. But you can always click on high to make sure that you always have the highest quality. Or if you want to save on data, just tap on low, and that'll conserve your data. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out Darn Tough Socks in my video description. Again, the video is underneath the clothes and shoes section. Sorry, the link is underneath the clothes and shoes section. So click on the link, check out the socks, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching.